G'day, and welcome to the course, The Law of Attraction Success System, Law of Attraction Mastery using Self-Hypnosis. You've just taken a huge leap toward greater success in every area of your life. Over the next week, I'm going to help you overcome the obstacles that have been holding you back from achieving success and living the life of your dreams. My name is Chris Spink, and I also teach a more extensive follow-on course from this one called The Law of Attraction Ultimate Success System. Change your limiting beliefs to make your big dreams a reality. But I wanted to offer you an introductory free course here to give you a taste of what my success system can do for you when you have some powerful, practical mind tools to assist you. I want you to have everything you desire, and I know that you can when you overcome the number one biggest obstacle which is in your way. And the number one obstacle to creating whatever you desire is your negative thoughts and limiting beliefs. Whether you want more money, a better career, happy and loving relationships, or strength, vitality, and good health, if you can change how you think and therefore how you feel, you will attract your ideal life. This course will help you begin to replace your limiting beliefs and negative thoughts with new positive beliefs and thoughts safely and easily. The key to changing your limiting beliefs is the powerful mind tool called hypnosis, and specifically self-hypnosis. Self-hypnosis enables you to connect with your subconscious mind, where you can place new, positive, empowering thoughts and beliefs. It's been scientifically proven that self-hypnosis is one of the most effective tools in changing your subconscious limiting beliefs and improving your life. You don't need to find the cause of your limiting beliefs or work at fixing your negative thinking. You just need to replace them with new positive thoughts and beliefs. And this is exactly what self-hypnosis and this course can do for you. And the course will help you attract success in all areas of your life with these benefits. It will teach you how to confidently use self-hypnosis to reduce stress and replace your limiting beliefs and thoughts with positive, empowering beliefs and thoughts, thereby changing your point of attraction. The self-hypnosis technique taught within this course can also be used as a meditation, allowing you to train your mind into a deep meditative state quickly and easily. It will offer you a deeper and clearer understanding of how the law of attraction works in your life. This will enable you to live a better life with more financial freedom, the relationships you seek, and vibrant health. It will also show you to appreciate your feelings by understanding how important they are in knowing what you will be attracting and how important feeling good is if you wish to become magnetic to your heart's desire. But before we go any further, I'd like to acknowledge you for being here and choosing to do this course. As the saying goes, 80% of success is simply just showing up. So, congratulations for showing up. I am really so pleased and excited that you're here. This is life-changing. If you put your heart and soul into it, I guarantee that you'll achieve incredible results. In other words, the more you put into the course, the more you will get out of it. The course offers video lectures and audio-guided meditation with some fun home play that will take you step by step through the system. And I've taught these strategies for years now, and I've made it extremely easy to learn to create whatever you want. You're going to have a great time in this course, and you're going to learn how to consciously and deliberately create your reality the way you choose. It's going to be fun and simple to understand. But right now, the most important thing I want you to do is commit. Make the commitment to put your best effort into this transformational course. But most of all, I want you to commit to your own happiness. I want you to put all your effort into being happy and feeling good, and then watch what happens. I know if you practice improving the way you feel and get happy, you will attract your ideal life. Schedule some time each day to watch the videos and complete each home play assignment. And above all, be patient with yourself. Hang in there and don't give up. You will see a change in what you are attracting into your life if you fully commit to this process. And you will be amazed at how much you get back from it. It's time to start living the life you always imagined. I also want to let you know that the transcripts of every lecture will be available to download in the resources section. If you have any questions about anything along the way, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and contact me via email or message me here. This course is about you, and I absolutely want you to be completely successful at changing the way you feel by using the practical exercises and tools I'll teach you, so the law of attraction can begin to bring you all of your dreams and desires. Next, as we're going to spend some time together, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm so excited that you'll be coming with me on this amazing journey of creating your ideal life.